police car travels towards a stationary observer.
Okay, so listen students, there is a car, police car is there. Okay, and there is an observer over there. Okay, so this is what source of sound. Okay, and this is what observer. Am I right? So observer is what? Rodriguez, what is given? Observer is what? Stationary. Am I right? Stationary means what? Velocity of observer is what? Stationary means what? 0 meter per second. Am I right? So whenever they give the information about stationary, you directly write down it's a 0 meter per second. Am I right? Chalo, next. And what is the source of sound? Velocity of source. Who is the source of sound here? Police car.
Police car.
Okay, police car. And what is the velocity, beta? Rodriguez, what is the velocity?
15 meters per second.
So 15 meter per second is the velocity of what? Sound. Okay, or velocity of source. Not sound, velocity of source. Continue.
The siren on the car emits a sound of frequency 250 hertz.
Okay, so siren of the car emits. So whatever that siren is there, no? That siren emits a frequency of sound. So that is what natural frequency. Natural means what? Actual frequency of sound is given. How much it is? Sorry.
250 hertz.
250 hertz is a natural frequency. Okay. So 250 hertz is what? Actual frequency of sound which are not going to be changed. Next. Calculate
the recorded frequency.
So these are what given thing. We will say data. Am I right? This is data. Now I need required. What I need? I need what? Recorded frequency. Matlab what? N dash. Apparent frequency. Recorded frequency means what? It's an apparent frequency. The speed of sound is given. How much it is? Rodriguez? 340 meter per second. Now you tell me, my question to you is what? Whether they are moving towards or away. That word is mentioned?
Towards.
Towards. Yes, initially it is mentioned over there. It is moving towards. So as we know, solution we have to write down according to Doppler effect. Okay, since source of sound is moving towards the listener. Am I right? So means what? What is the formula for apparent frequency? N dash equal to N naught V VL upon V Vs. That we know that. Am I right? But if it is moving towards, then plus will come in the numerator and minus will come with the denominator. Am I right? Chalo, just put a value. Silently. What is the N naught, beta? N naught is how much? 250 multiply by bracket. What is V? We have 340 plus VL. VL means what? Listener. So this VO can be written as VL also. Okay, VO is an observer. We can say observer as a listener also. So VL is what? 0. The whole divided by V is 340 minus VS. VS is how much? 15. Okay, to tell me the answer. 250 multiplied by 340 upon 340 minus 15 is how much? 325. Okay. Will you able to do the calculation? Shall I give the hint for how to find the answer using logbook? Or you will find out? Tell me. We can
make the number by dividing by 5.
Yeah. We can divide it by 25 also. 25 tens are 25 ones are 7s, 25 threes are 75. Am I right? And then 10 into 340 is what? 3,400 upon 13. Okay, and if you know the division, you can do it. 13 to the 26. 14 minus 6 is how much? You can say 8. Over the 13.
The answer is 261.54.
States are 13 ones are 13, 7, 13, 5 are 65. 261.54.
54.
54. Okay.
54.
54 what? Hertz. Everyone understood? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
but I will tell you how to find the answer. Now we understood the answer, but we will use what? Logbook. We will use what? Logbook. Okay. Everyone, please open the logbook. We will find the same answer using logbook. Okay. Chalo. Tell me open the logbook. Everyone, open the logbook. Say yes or no. Okay. So students, listen students. Everyone, please look at the board. Now there is what? 3400 divided by 13. Okay. So students, you have to say anti-log. Open the bracket. Okay. Now there is what? Division of two numbers. Am I right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Hafsin, Razak, you have to give me the answer. Everyone, please look at the board. Open the logarithmic page. Logarithm. So Hafsin, 3400 consists of how many digits? Kitne numbers hai usme? How many numbers are there?
4.
4. So listen students, first you have to decide the characteristic. So whenever how many digits are there, you have to reduce 1. So what is the number in front of you now? Hafsin, what is the number in front of you?
340.
No. It's a 4-digit number. It's a 4-digit number. Am I right?
Yeah.
If I reduce 1
3-digit
to
number.
3. So your two characteristic is what? 3. Understood? Now the number below the 3400 is a 2-digit or 3-digit number?
2.
Of 2. So you reduce 1 number. So what is the characteristic beta? 1. You have to write 1 point. Okay. So always remember, when you find the logarithmic value of any number, you have to decide the characteristic first. Okay. Then since there is a division, we will divide minus. You know now, if there is a division, the logarithmic value ka we have to do subtraction. Okay. So Hafsin, open the logbook. There is a 34. You have to now listen to Hafsin. So you have to make pair. Initially make a pair and then single. So 34 mein 0. 34 mein 0. Okay. Ria asks, can you explain the concept of characteristic again? Okay. Ria, it depends on what? The number consists of how many numbers? Okay. That how many? 3400 consists of how many digits? Tell me. They contain what? 4 digits.
4.
Okay. So 4, you have to reduce 1 number. So what is the characteristic beta? Ria?
3.
3. Now tell me 13. 13 is a consist of how many digits? It consists of 2. You make
2
it,
digits.
you reduce 1. So what is the characteristic beta? 1. Understood?
1.
We will take more example, don't worry. But now we have to find out this particular division by log. So Hafsin, 34 mein 0. What is the value beta?
Sir, in which side? Logarithm or?
Logarithm. Antilog to baad mein. First you have to find out logarithm.
5315.
Everyone please check up. 5315 is it right?
Yes.
Okay. So Hafsin, 13 means what is the beta? 13.00. So again you have to find a log of 13 means 0. You have to find the logarithmic value of 13 in 0.
1139.
1139. Yes, 1139. Now we have to subtract. Why subtraction? Because there is a division. If there is a multiplication, then you have to add. Okay, subtraction. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Am I right? Then 10 minus 3 is what? 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Now, Hafsin, it consists of 2 points. So students, everyone please look at the board. So what is the number before point?
2.
2. So that always the power of 10. Dimag mein fit karna. When you now you have to find the anti-log. Now you have to find the anti-log of the subtraction. The number before the point is always power of 10. Okay. कोई भी number point के पहले होगा वो power of 10 बन जाता है. Now Hafsin, open the anti-logarithmic page. Anti-logarithmic page. 41 में 7 and then 6. 41 में 7 is what?
2612.
And there is a mean difference. There is a one more mean difference column. 6.
4.
4. Then you have to add. There is no return. Subtract is not written over there. Then you have to add. So 4 plus 2, 6, 1, 6, 2. So what is the answer here? 2, 6, 1, 6. Am I right? And what you have to do? You have to put decimal point before 1000 number. Okay. So 2.616 is the anti-log. And 10 raised to 2 means what is 100. So if I shift point towards right by 2 positions, what is the answer? 261.6 hertz. So you can see the answer, this answer and this answer. Understood? Everyone say yes or no?
Yes.
This we can find out the same answer using what? Log.